Welcome back here on 8 p.m. Prime. Our focus on people first. It's a cameraman's forgotten courage from 10 years ago. An ANI camera person who took a bullet during the Parliament attack. A month later, he died. His wife's emotional appeal last night on CNN-IBN, in fact, caught our members of Parliament's attention. Trinamool MP Derek O'Brien asking for the government's intervention there in Parliament.
Yes, will that emotional appeal and that emotional intervention also made by the Trinamool MP really make any difference? Joining us tonight on 8 p.m. Prime is Sunita Devi. She's here in our studios. Remember, it was right here last night when she made that emotional appeal, speaking about the apathy of the last decade or so. Also joining us tonight, Derek O'Brien, Member of Parliament of the Trinamool Congress. Thanks both of you for joining us here on 8 p.m. Prime. Sunita, सबसे पहले आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, आज डेरेक ओब्रायन ने राज्यसभा में विक्रम के बारे में बात की और आपने जो पिछले 10 साल में फेस किया है उसके बारे में बात की। आपको लगता है कि पार्लियामेंट में अब विक्रम का नाम उठा है तो आपकी स्थिति में किसी तरह का सुधार होगा?
इसके लिए तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मतलब आज 10 साल बाद उन्होंने हमारा नाम रखा, विक्रम जी का नाम रखा। इसके लिए तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि जिन लोगों ने मेरा नाम मेरे पति का नाम वहाँ लिया और हमारा नाम वहाँ लिया, तो मैं उनको शुक्रिया करती हूँ कि जिन्होंने हमारे नाम आगे लिया। आज तक हमको किसी ने नहीं पूछा, क्योंकि मैं हर मंत्री से मिल चुकी हूँ, हर मंत्री से लेटर दे चुकी हूँ। जो पुलिसकर्मी थे, बहादुर पुलिसकर्मी, उनको तो पेट्रोल पंप दिला गया, तो मेरे लिए क्यों नहीं? विक्रम जी ने भी एक कैमरा दिखाया ऑल इंडिया और भारत देश में। उन्होंने गोली खा के भी अपना कैमरा नहीं छोड़ा। उन्होंने पूरा दिखाया कि हमारे संसद के अंदर मंत्री बैठे हुए हैं और पूरा देश को दिखाया कि ऐसे ऐसे
फौज की तरह, पुलिस की तरह वो भी ड्यूटी कर रहे थे।
हाँ जी, उनके पास कुछ नहीं था। उन्होंने ये नहीं सोचा कि मेरी बीवी घर में है, मेरे 3 महीने की लड़की है। उनके अंदर ये सवाल नहीं उठा। उन्होंने अपने देश के लिए ये दिखाया कि हमारे एक संसद के अंदर ये हमला करना चाहते, इनको कैदी बनाना चाहते।
Derek O'Brien, you're hearing Sunita Devi's story. Of course, you watched it last night as well. And the question she's asking as well, why does it take 10 years for a story like this to be heard in Parliament?
I don't know, Anubha. I'm just been in Parliament for a few weeks. I read about this yesterday actually in a newspaper. The journalist was a gentleman called Rajat Arora, and then I saw the program evening yesterday with Rajdeep, and I was really moved. It was after 9 o'clock at night, and I spoke to my colleagues in Trinamool, and I said, you know, we need to get this going in the morning and get a 0 hour in. And as you know, the rules for 0 hour, you have to give it in before 10 o'clock in the morning. I normally get into Parliament at about 10:30, but I was really excited this morning, and I got in there at about 9:15 and got the 0 hour paper in. And I was actually need to thank the chairman of the Rajya Sabha for being very generous. And this is the only admission today in the only subject which came up in 0 hour. So I got a chance to express, and I must tell you that across the board, cutting across all parties, they endorsed that we should be doing something, even though the gentleman, the cameraman, did not belong to the government. He belonged to he worked for a private organization. But across, I mean, it was such a moving day for me, because when I was walking out across parties, and I'm talking about senior parliamentarians from across parties, and came and said, no, we must do something. And in fact, we will do something.
Sure.
Because the next step, I want to assure this lady on through your channel, if something happens in the next 10 days or 2 weeks, good. Otherwise, I'm going to write a letter on behalf of Trinamool, and we're going to get all the parties to sign it, and we're going to write to the Prime Minister, because this is a humanitarian story, and we were actually appealing to everyone there on humanitarian grounds, and it's a question of conscience.
Sure. One is hoping really that that intervention has the desired effect, Derek O'Brien, and the story really just doesn't remain a story that's remembered every year during the day of Parliament attack. Sunita actually told us that she was so surprised that in the last 10 years, no one has actually taken Vikram's name in the corridors of power, and thankfully to your intervention it was. Sunita, Derek कह रहे हैं कि वो आप का जो केस है, आपकी जो कहानी है, विक्रम की कहानी को बिल्कुल आगे बढ़ाएंगे, सिर्फ इसको सीमित नहीं रखेंगे पार्लियामेंट तक, खत लिखेंगे, सब एमपीज ने कहा है कि वो इकट्ठा आएंगे। आपको अब किसी तरह का आश्वासन मिलता है इससे कि 10 साल बाद शायद कुछ बात आगे बढ़ेगी?
इसको तो जो एमपी कह रहे हैं इनके मतलब लगता है कि मतलब ये बात आगे बढ़ाएंगी।
आपने कहा आप 10th क्लास पास है, लेकिन आपने टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर का काम किया है, टीवी में काम किया है?
हाँ जी, फोकस न्यूज़ में मैंने काम किया है 2 साल, मतलब जब 8 साल बीत चुके थे, 2 साल बाद 2 साल हुए मुझे वहाँ लगे हुए, तो इससे मतलब मैं अपने बच्चों का गुजारा कर रही थी आज तक मतलब किसी सरकार ने हमको ऐसे नहीं पूछा कि तुम्हारे हाल कैसे हैं। हर 10 साल में दिखाते हैं हम न्यूज़ चैनल वाले मीडिया वाले हमारे साथ रहते, तो आज तक किसी ने नहीं पूछा, किसी सरकार के आंखों में आंसू नहीं आए। सिला दीक्षित के पास मैं 2 बच्चों को लेके गई, MS बेटा ने हमारा साथ दिया, मैं उनको लेके गई, उन्होंने लेटर दे चुके हैं जी। उन्होंने 10 साल में पूरा दिखाया है कि मतलब ये विक्रम की वाइफ है,
लेकिन अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ।
अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ। तो मैं कहती हमारी सरकार क्या अंधी हो गई जो मतलब देख ही नहीं रही कि।
Right, Derek, you're dealing with a lot of cynicism here, but you're making a very strong promise as well.
No, I think Anubha, this is not only about the politicians to solve. There are a lot of corporates who are watching this program, and there's nothing from a large corporate in India. This is where, I mean, he's a private citizen. It can happen to anyone. Okay, sure. This gentleman got mentioned today because he was outside Parliament, so we mentioned it. But so there are a lot of corporates who are watching this program, and I think this is a great corporate social responsibility. I mean, you don't wait always for government and always for politicians to solve problems.
Sure.
I hope in the next few days a corporate picks up the phone, Anubha, calls up CN and IBN and offers this lady a job, not charity. No one's asking for charity.
True.
Offer her a job and pay her 3 lakhs of rupees per annum, 25,000 rupees a month. That's the kind of money she would need to run a family in Delhi.
Right, a family in Delhi, 2 children who all need good education. Derek O'Brien, thanks very much for joining us here on 8 PM Prime and really putting out the voice for our members of Parliament. Sunita Devi, बहुत शुक्रिया. फाइनली आपके आंसू किसी MP ने देखे हैं और आपकी आवाज़ पार्लियामेंट तक पहुंची है। आशा यही है कि इससे आपको किसी तरह का समाधान ज़रूर मिलेगा।